Alright friends, welcome back to Toy World Weekly! I'm Mr. Scruffles!
And I'm Christian. Friends, if you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button down below.
And like, share, and friends, leave a comment. And Christian, what do we have for the boys and girls today?
We have the new HATCHiMALS PiXiES Rainbow Unicorn Party!
I love the HATCHiMALS Unicorn Party Pixies!
Me too! I can't wait to see what's inside!
I can't wait! I can't wait!
Me neither!
Let's have the time!
Let's get to hatching! HATCHiMALS PiXiES Pixie Rainbow Unicorn Party with 2 exclusive HATCHiMALS inside and 50 party surprises. You can get Rainbow Riley with a Rainbow Alicorn or a Rainbow Unicorn, and Rainbow Rose with a Rainbow Alicorn or a Rainbow Unicorn. Now let's get to unboxing. I can't wait. And here's our paper craft cutouts so we can make our play set. Now I'm going to go ahead and build. So here's our play set all finished. So we did have to fold the little presents and they are so cute. I really like it. Now let's get to hatching our pixie. I wonder who it's gonna be. Oh, I see one of our exclusive HATCHiMALS on the side. And I'm starting to see the pixie. Look how pretty she is. So here's our Unicorn. It's so cute and it's fuzzy. Here's our other little exclusive HATCHiMAL. This one's not fuzzy. And here's our pixie. She's fuzzy on her head and her little bow. Now let's get all her accessories out. So we got Rainbow Riley. Now let's get all of her accessories out. She's so cute and glittery. So first we have her little bed. It's hot pink with some blue. And her blind bag. So now let's get her accessories out. First we got our stand so she's not falling over. Then we got a unicorn tiara, which is so cute. We got some cute little unicorn shoes, which may be hard to see. And a unicorn cupcake. Now let's get her dressed. So here she is, all dressed. She's so cute, and I just love how they made her hair fuzzy. And here's one of our HATCHiMALS. This is the Unicorn. It's my favorite out of the 2 exclusives because it's fuzzy. And it's so cute. And here's our Alicorn. It's so pearly and it has silver wings. So does the Unicorn.
Alright Christian, I love the HATCHiMALS PiXiES Unicorn Rainbow Party!
I do too. They're so cute and I just love how they're fuzzy.
I love the pixies, they're so beautiful!
Yes!
Well friends, join us next time on Toy World Weekly when we open up something else!
Bye!